In the Bible, Israel holds significant historical, religious, and spiritual meaning. Here's a breakdown of what Israel represents. 1. Jacob's new name. The name Israel is first associated with the patriarch Jacob in the book of Genesis. After wrestling with an angel or God one night, Jacob is renamed Israel, meaning he who struggles with God. Genesis 32-28. This marks the beginning of the term Israel being used to refer to his descendants. 2. The 12 tribes of Israel. Israel had 12 sons, who became the patriarchs of the 12 tribes of Israel. These tribes, descending from Jacob's sons, form the nation of Israel in biblical history. The tribes include Reuben, Simeon, Levi, Judah, Dan, Naphtali, Gad, Asher, Issachar, Zebulun, Joseph, which is often represented by his sons Ephraim and Manasseh, and Benjamin. 3. The Promised Land. According to the Bible, God promised the land of Canaan to Abraham's descendants through Isaac and Jacob. Israel. This land, often referred to as the Promised Land, became known as Israel after the Israelites, under Joshua's leadership, entered and conquered it following their exodus from Egypt. Joshua 1-5. The establishment of Israel as a nation-state occurred during this conquest and settlement. 4. The Kingdom of Israel. After the period of the Judges, Israel became a united kingdom under its first kings, Saul, David, and Solomon. David established Jerusalem as the capital, and Solomon built the first temple. However, after Solomon's death, the kingdom was divided into two: the northern kingdom of Israel and the southern kingdom of Judah. The northern kingdom retained the name Israel until it was conquered by Assyria in 722 BC. 5. Israel in prophecy. Throughout the prophetic books of the Bible, Israel is a central theme. The prophets often called the nation to repentance, warning them of exile due to disobedience and idol worship. However, they also spoke of a future restoration of Israel, pointing to a time when God would gather his people back to the land, give them a new covenant, and bring about an era of peace and blessing. For example, Ezekiel 37, Isaiah 11, Jeremiah 31. 6. Spiritual Israel. In the New Testament, the concept of Israel takes on a spiritual dimension. The Apostle Paul, especially in Romans 9-11, explains that being part of Israel is no longer just a matter of ethnic descent, but also of faith. He refers to a spiritual Israel, where Gentiles, non-Jews, who believe in Jesus Christ are grafted into the promises given to Israel. In summary, Israel in the Bible refers to Jacob, renamed Israel, and his descendants, the nation formed from the 12 tribes, the land promised by God to Abraham's descendants, the divided kingdoms after Solomon's reign, the prophetic hope of restoration, the spiritual concept of God's people, including both Jews and Gentiles, in the New Testament. Would you like to explore any of these themes further?